I'm super excited to share with you my experience with the Amazon Echo Show, a game changer for smart home users everywhere. This device is a total rock star, and I'm about to tell you why. It's a smart display that's going to make your life so much easier. It's basically a smart speaker with a screen, and it's so much more than that. The Amazon Echo Show is like having a personal assistant at your fingertips, always ready to help. Whether you're looking to control your smart home devices, watch your favorite shows, or simply get the latest news and updates, this device has got you covered. Now let's dive into the specs, because this thing is packed with awesome features. It's got an 11-inch display, which is huge, and the full HD resolution is just stunning. The AZ3 Pro chip is what makes it all tick, and it's super fast. You get 60% more viewing area, which is amazing, and the spatial audio is just incredible. Plus, with 3.3x zoom, you can get up close and personal with whatever you're looking at. The device also comes with dual 2-inch stereo speakers, which provide an immersive audio experience. And with Wi-Fi 6 support, you can expect seamless connectivity and faster data transfer rates. I've been using it in my kitchen, and it's been a total lifesaver. I can watch recipes, check the weather, and even control my other smart devices with just my voice. I can also use it to make hands-free video calls to my friends and family, which is really convenient. And with the built-in camera, I can even use it to monitor my home when I'm not there. The device also integrates seamlessly with other Amazon devices, such as the Ring doorbell and the Philips Hue smart light bulbs. This means I can control all my devices from one place, making it easy to manage my smart home. In real-world use, the Amazon Echo Show has been a game changer for me. I can use it to set reminders, calendar events, and even control my TV with just my voice. I can also use it to play my favorite music, podcasts, and audiobooks. And with the built-in browser, I can access my favorite websites and online services. The device also supports a wide range of skills, from ordering food to booking a ride, making it a really versatile device. For example, I can use it to order pizza from my favorite restaurant or book a ride with Uber. I can even use it to track my fitness goals and get personalized recommendations for my daily routine. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the Amazon Echo Show, and I'd give it a solid 9 out of 10. It's a total must-have for anyone who wants to take their smart home to the next level. The device is easy to set up, and the user interface is intuitive and user-friendly. The device also comes with a range of accessories, such as a wall mount and a screen protector, which makes it easy to customize and protect your device. So, if you like this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because I've got some more exciting reviews coming your way soon, and I'd love for you to be a part of it. Thanks for watching.